Chala Rice. Welcome to the Pod Diaries. The Pod Diaries with Upiza Wabantu, and then and I'm there talking about the coast yam Africa. Kabuli secho.
Ubothi Africa Guyana.
So how it ufuna la fun.
Ngiyayithanda fana.
Kwazito. Yeah, right. As bas namkele the Pod Diaries. The Pod Diaries, it's all about it's a show podcast apho fumaseka we invite abantu abakhulayo, community leaders, abantu who do not seek fame but want to be recognized, abantu kufumaseka abathathelwa ntweni, unrecognizable. Then we make them babe recognized because we show ukuthi siyabarespecta umsebenzi wabo and what they do with community. So they build the communities through music, through entertainment, through many things, through helping to the soup kitchen and all the stuff. Like namhlanje ke sinobhuti wethu ubhuti Lazola kuthiwa ngulaza ne.
Yeah, but abanye bayipromota njalo bathi ngulez, abanye bathi ngulaz. So
Umntu kayisithi lazo uthi he, kayisithi les uthi he.
sikufani.
Ababathi less bayayikhumsha.
Yeah, that's slang so umkhumshe nje. Sifake nje in British. Yabo.
Ifana no DJ Leg. Abaye bathi ndandikhule mna ndanibona ndandincanga DJ Lag. Kamazi bam DJ Leg. Ewe, ndandincanga DJ Lag ngisisho, "Ya DJ Lag." Serious. Hayi man, ku DJ Leg lo wayengo DJ. Kunjani bhuti wami?
Ndiyaphila ndacenga bhuti man, kuhle kuwe.
Hayi kuhle man, siyacenga man, akosikhalazo. Yeah. So noko wena ngumuntu ongubhuti. So no anode ndikumele, kazimele, kazichaza uLazola bani uLazola.
Yeah. Okay, abantu abaninzi like endikhule nabo bandazi ngokhula igama bandika ngabazali nguLazola. Ngokwefani ke ngumagwebu. Ndiphuma kula family yakwamagwebu. Bakuthiwa ngoDlomo pha ngoSophicho ngolosile.
Chini ndazi Ndlobo.
Isizukulwane pa. And yeah, khula kwami ke ndikhulela ePhilippi, but abantu abandaziyo ngoku ezokhula kwami, I did like I'm doing music and people ke ngoku bandazi ke ngokuba igama lami ndinguLes Lord. Yabo through music wami enwenzayo.
Okay. Why the name Les Lord?
Yeah, people ask me a lot about it. Yeah, but why Les Lord? Because abantu, first of all, they used to pronounce igama lami bathi nguLes. Yeah, Les. How Les? You must DJ Les. So I was like, okay, sure, man. What if ndifake mna the Lord part? But okay, ndimyeke la R. Yeah, be creative. I am mostly creative. I'm an artist. So yeah, so I have to be creative. But okay, it's Les Lord. But Les. Localaz and then stash Lord without R.
Without R.
Yeah.
Oh, so with everything Lord without R. Akathethi inkosi.
Yeah, akathethi inkosi.
Uthetha ntoni?
Like I think it's a Greek something to do with Greek Apollos. Apollos something.
Okay.
Apollo.
So why research on it before?
Yeah, that's ngathi khona indawo pha in Greece or in Greek, like in kuthiwa yiLord. Some place there.
So what kind of music goes on?
I wouldn't box myself DT and then with any kind of music. Like I am versatile. Yeah, I'm a musician more than being like a artist. But okay, I artist there. Yeah, I do hip hop, but now I prefer hip hop because I'm trying to uplift myself from hip hop and trying to find myself first. Yeah, but before jumping into other genres. Yeah, but because I'm like lahleka in my sense of roots. Yeah.
So hip hop.
Yeah.
Hip hop is diverse. So meaning
diverse.
there is trap falls under hip hop, right?
Yeah.
Trap, drill, like ilanduka ezos pop smoke
sezisandufika
yeah with drill zonke zifolisha pha. So at this moment what's trending I think is drill hip hop and what's and then wena ukweliphi icala
okay mna
because itrap yona to be honest iyaphela
yaphela
So i-trap le ihluke ngantoni kwezinye?
kusetyenziswa kaloku usebenzisa kane nawe producer zawona ixhomeke ezinye into ufumasa kuba usebenzisa instruments zakho i808 indlela osine kicks nezinez ubusebenzisa njani uyaqonda itrap 2-3 step fana negqom itrap ifana negqom yabona jonga kuki commercial house ne kuki house i-house ifana ne hip hop uyaqonda and then kubekho ke ngoku xa kufumanise kwi hip hop ke ngoku okay kule njengoba i-house kubekho igqom lethi gqom 2 step 3 step na same applies na kwi-trap uyabo
So i-crank yona.
i-cramp
cramp
i-cramp ayiculelwa
some of sort of
i-dance yona i-dance it's a different kind of ilanduka
break dance it's a
break dance
break dance
but
isuka under hip hop.
you must search for J Squad then you will see iba ingena phi i-cramp pha J Squad they are the ones is
promoter
sikhule ngabo thina nikhule mna nimamela i-J Squad like
So
ayingabe lamjita lunele une afro su
wala majita landuka
so une afro ndimazi no
so bayalanduka
ilento isiphaza sona sifola kwi-hip hop naso.
hip hop but yasekasi
but yona it's where like it was born iXhosa rap of which lesiyenzayo ngoku it's a venek venek le ndiyenzayo mna
Wenza isiphaza?
no ndenza iXhosa rap but I prefer now to use ivenek because I'm covering all languages
or English
nesiXhosa yabo.
You know when it comes to hip hop ne let me be honest support is slim
too much
now I've got friends ne who hosts ilanduka hip hop sessions umzekelo I've got one friend usually each and every month once a month we host up a Mobre yes busy artist and then cause artist xa fumase kuba ziyaphayana azina akho bantu bayobukela but kuba kwi-artist zona qha ziyobukelana yabona so hip hop what's wrong with hip hop?
First of all, you asked me, man, I'm which part of hip-hop?
Which part?
Me, I wouldn't do like I wouldn't say like nandi barrel hip hop, you know, and yathanda ubhala with usiba. Me, I'm just a hip hopian. And your MC, and for nothing the MC.
MC.
I can battle you, but if you want to battle, but sensing women,
distract,
but not uncelele uba okay I'm fit to on this name man say Mike Joe sometimes I jump on it but ndiyibone okay man this is the right time on jumping. That's why I don't do freestyle kakhulu.
So you can decide if you know iPhone. You decide kala bantu jonga man ku hip hop nene qaphalayo yabona jonga kukho kuba le guy yayithuka gqithi bethi isiXhosa ine 2 personas icula isiXhosa ngubani na kuXhosa bani
okay
Xhosa ilantuka yeXhosa
Big
Xhosa had 2 personas one apho kufumasa ba ungu-Big Xhosa uRoot yabo and then abantu wayezinyusa ngalahlobo then aphinda benale yakhe angulantuka libele igama lakhe ngoku
le ngoku aziprogramme ngayo ngoku
ufocus ke bayana akathuki akathini I remember Africa was talking to I don't remember who I was talking but I was talking like on a different thing I was saying umzekelo i-theater yase Joburg niyalapha asifani that side theater side is much more powerful to this side so same applies with hip hop I think it has to do with language
barrier
language barrier that's where the problem is when it comes to hip hop and then when in terms of ilanduka yakho have you ever been stressed to a point you feel like nothing is working out up, and then like uqomba yo ngase ngithatha into ndizibulale qha yuwazi uba yikho lento endenza okanye uqomba you just give up. Have you ever been in that situation?
Yeah, I've been disuka khona like nyaws no daka, but now I'm trying to find myself because lento like ngoku uzondibona ngoku like ba okay man, I can be on a podcast, I didn't have that like 2 years ago because I was deep in depression, in depression of what? In depression of I'm not moving the way I want to move. The move I like in a slower pace. Yes, I create content. I create Yongindo music, being on the studio. But I found myself being on one position again. So I had to man, the move from where I was. Man, I need to push. And to push, I need people. And you need people associate.
Yeah,
with people,
that's true.
And find a team. At least man, bruh, I got this. I'm willing to buy now. Because I see the potential you got. I see the work you've been putting the past years. So I took like 2 years from me depression, and then I found myself go 2024. Then I gradually like finding myself. Then the spark of music came again. Now I'm like creating music again. Like next week, I'll be in a studio, a PAC, Philippe Arts Center. So they deliver free.
Those free recording sessions. Yes,
so
nice.
the apply for online, and then next week I think at 17. I must be there. Then like at least some single to promote. Because now I see a way forward from where I was.
That's.
I didn't hear any content. Your podcast. I didn't hear any video of me like doing a music video. It's just me. They're putting the work, Papa, and good people by born. Then you learn. Then
Wow. Wow. No. It's so nice and it's so motivating. Umzekelo to hear ukuthi you coming from like 2 years of depression because omnye umuntu ovela ngaphinda abuye. I-art industry Africa, it's tough.
Too much.
There's pressure. There's pressure because not everything will go well, and ke ngoku sometimes to a point yokuba if you watching omnye umuntu esenza the same thing oyenzayo uvele ube ufeel envious like in a way uba ingathi unomona ba hayi man why progressa why mna nebo and we all have that.
But okay, Imanqani buze kuqala unexesha elingakanani usenza hip hop?
I started hip hop back then, like I was 16 back then, so I'll be counting from 16 years till now. It's been like 10 years to 9 years.
Okay, so ubona umehluko ba ukhona like ngoku ki hip hop industry lapha Cape Town kunakuqala?
Because ngoku affiliated with the Xhosa rap. That's why I'm ndingafuna uzicategorize like I said before. But andifuna uzicategorize ndithi there's Xhosa rap. I'm doing Venek rap. I mix with a lot of stuff, but English also kwazi uba ayive English. Xhosalize if I uba umuntu uzokwazi uxhosalize ayive. Not giving out ama ndingumxhosa now with that ego. Because music now in our days, where's up in Cape Town is commercial. It's commercial music. If you gotta do music now, you gotta sell music. That's finished. If you gotta do music, go ndim ungenando.
But I think mhlawumbe i-hip hop artist zakudala zazingajonganga aba mhlawumbe zizawuthengisa umculo. Zaziyenza for fun. And then umculo wawo oyi-hip hop wawuthandwa kakhulu elaa xesha. Ngoku andiyazi like kwehle ntoni because abantu basahoyanga but kudala babekade bewonile ngabo 2013 2014. Zazininzi hip hop sessions kakhulu wesekhayelitsha nasephilippi. But asekho ngoku.
Those sessions spasms. You find most abantu ngoku they revolve yabo. Bayakhula abanye and then abanye benze mhlambi lo initiative baqala studio. Then akazuba nalo la xesha loba awenze session I'm talking about the OGs, because Bizens was the OGs kakhulu.
Like
Ophizo, Naked Mind,
Pro Expa,
Opro X, like if you mentioned a few, or Rebongs, Tremens Cup, El Nino, all the type guys, So basic corner ciphers, but now people now you find they are on the mainstream galong, and then imali ngoku like yenza lo mculo, you know almost we are brand uhamba is about we musician. So inje dithi awukwazi ba ku mainstream yabo these days uphinde uyobule airbag. That's why like uzofind yabo hip hop there's like a barrier yabo at top and the lower.
Into ebendingobe ndifuna uyilanduka uyiqonda ke ngoku ne mhlambe that you can confirm into ukuthi if who's this artist yalapha Cape Town mhlambe yamuva ya Joburg ecula isiXhosa and then became famous and became this someone from Masaba uphezulu, and then who's this artist from Masaba isuka pa Cape Town iculi English and then became famous, and then yalanda bekacala youngster CPT yabo kubani omnye but who ngubani artist onoqoma mhlawumbe noba ungayimenshina kuba afika pha because what I'm trying to when ndifuna ucompare nje like in terms of language barrier besithetha ngayo.
Mna I would say they are not at their top uyabo aka2 is phuma eKhayelitsha uyabo not from where I'm from, but shout out to eKhayelitsha uBrazo Bravo leru Bravo he's like the leading
at least he's good. He's representing us
from where we coming from, upcoming artist because uqale waye up and coming artist before,
but uBravo zana mbona kwezi sessions uBravo ndimbona ngoku mna ngokule minyaka
uBravo is like a connection wise into yangena ngayo, because I think some of the people some of the people he knew then wangena kushaya yabo nomshayi then ke ngokwenzeka like yonke le process uyibonayo. I think it's like connection wise yena.
So far like in terms of hip hop uchuba isenguBravo mntolanga
ibe ngulo mntana lewe uDikao le uzit
Tikao nambona
like he's scoring deals, like he in the Smith Adidas, you know, Steamerroll, Chappies. He's been on shows, he Cotton Fest.
That's nice.
Like
Makle Cape Town Fest
no, I don't remember.
Because I remember ndibona I think uBrili benembonile.
uBrili.
uBrili yena. But I didn't say that and dog.
Go-Brili, and then now khona nanye amajita endiwaziyo like uSteve. Bekhona. So ngabo ona amanye amajita endiwaziyo bekhona, but I don't think bekhona yena, because I think who made is like antisocial or something.
What about the Tremens Cup?
Tremens Cup yona is like kuyibonela we man umntu angene ngenyawo phinde linyawo libe ngemva like bayapha bekhona pha mainstream, but baphinde like bade yabo. So that's why like you find ingase thina see Cape Town, we go back to the roots, just remember our roots, but man isuka pikaneni hip hop.
And then okay, sorry to disappoint, but before no, in terms of the Tremens Cup Tremens Cup was there. They were in Joburg. Then izinto zimoshakele pha babuye back. So babezifumana zonke ideals yonke into.
That's why ngafuna uyiveza ba kwenzeke njani kwentoni, because
and nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
Kuthiwa elokishini ne umculo i-hip hop kumculo we-gangsters. Because mostly especially zaseside bezitshaya drugs. Most yazo ezinye ziyasweleka, abanye bangamaphara, bakhona endibaziyo abasayenza umculo, but babentswempu kudala.
Umaningi
agoba yaphi
basweleka.
Lanzo engo akwawo maningi abafuma sebabaswela kabo maningi
Yabo. Like nah, be
jonga
like
umankatheni naye wayenswembu kakhulu
bakuyi 300 years
but ngoku
joke ithi ya ngathi ya
but yani like ucela like imeko yakho on the music wise ucela like in a
indlela.
motivational way.
Yeah.
Not ba ufuna umosha in a some way
Yeah.
because we create music now in like different aspects because lo muntu uzoyiva ngapha ile estate okanye ayive ngapha UK wena busy yathuka engomeni
uyibona
but mostly i-fans ze-hip hop ngabantu bangena like andiyani noma ndizayibeka krwada okanye ndizaba rude but apha phaya ekuhlaleni most abantu abamamela i-hip hop ngaba bantu bangena-plans nge-future yabo abafike bevaleleni kwi-crib betshaya intsango ubomba
They don't
akho
talk
nto
future.
ewe barepha ubomba akho nto iphucukileyo ezawuphuma ngaphandle kwengoma
kakudisana
badisana abaxelela iindaba zabo okanye
yeah and how do we fix that
this abo nami ndisuka kulo 2 years like duze ndibe depressed ndisuka kulo motion ba hayi man I used to ba ndihambe namanye amajita pha umekasi like jiki kona kulo kona sifike
phafa lo
Yeah,
so that's
bo.
lying
like
life
Joe lifeline like ivekini from Monday to Sunday
yo
into eyi-1 lamajita like into eyi-1 nami ndiyazifaka pha like into eyi-1 siyenza into eyi-1 every day like if you find mhlawumbe kubekho eza big weekends because i-bands down yabo
Yeah.
nangona singayiyo ngoyesigele angisayo esigele mos qomba ngikusiya ndasigqiba and then qomba ngikusiya hayi man bambe nje noma 2 blank nje yabo so ndiqomba man lo motion mama ndihambe kulo motion man it's 2025 now man
Yeah,
I got a new
change.
resolutions like in my life in my music wise
I think you know
start with the mind
yeah with the mind you know what else changes umuntu from kundayi from kulohloba esenza ngalo it's having a family
yeah
so when you have a family onayo like umntana kanye uba nomntana ke
no I don't have my is ba okay extended family I have like he family like
family,
yeah
family, okay.
yeah like a blood family like
Yeah.
no makhulu and my mother and my father but
So-
my father doesn't live with me ngihlale eKaiserslautern.
oh okay
so bayakusapota kumculo wakho
Yeah, they support me,
But not bonke.
financial.
ewe and not bonke futhi
Not bonke.
Intoni icula kusingcolela
ngabantu kwe-finance
Kuthiwa ngo like
into esingcolela ngayo practice ntoni wena uthi uphumelele nini
yabo ndibuza loo nto ngoku izolo yabo bekhwini lewe i-cousin yami yabo but incinci nami but bingandazi uba ndi-artist then iyandibuza uba eyi uyi-artist na wena na ithi ya ni-artist awuyalona ethi kafusetshi pha les lord ayisipela igama lami
yeah
LAZ-LOD ngena kugoogle yeyi xa isithi hayi man nanku lo muntu abagoogle Othoka umntana then
man.
it's like umincili ke ngoku but it's those moments yabo sure and you will never show uba okay man okay hayi yabo la
Iyansila,
feeling
yeah,
yabo
yeah, yeah.
cha itsho phakathi yabo ba okay man it's a great feeling
At
about
least.
at least my family is looking yabo
yeah no into right leyo bhuti wami yeah so what does the future hold for you umzekelo what are your plans but uvile uthe uzawurekhoda i-EP ne so after urekhode i-EP so
yeah,
what's
yeah.
what do you like bakwenzeke ntoni funa kwenzeke ntoni
so after EP I'll drop it. I think EP ngizoyenza end May my birthday month for a fact from the drop on my birthday month maybe end month xa kuqala June
okay
and by June I'll be working on a mixtape that's why again I don't want to mend on the mixtape by izophuma nini yeah because abantu kudala beyifuna and
Befuna
belindele
i-mixtape,
yeah
okay,
so yeah I'm pushing the mixtape I think this EP 2 songs then it's a drop ke ngoku
so ilanduka into ke ngoku who inspires you in terms of hip hop bani okhalo collaborate nayo okanye oqomba mhlawumbe ungavuya ungabetha nayo
yeah but like I'll mention OG but OG like I wouldn't mention J like on this certain level because I want to reach a certain level. Ndio was ba okay. On the talk, tete no that sense on a feature. But ndiyamphakamisa and I'm looking up to him like Uphizo.
Oh, Pizzo.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay,
Because
okay. So
he first started all this work.
yeah.
Being the first producer.
Yeah.
Being the first artist. Yeah, because
Yeah, and
he's the first producer of the non-stop family.
Yeah, and then everyone knows Pizzo.
Yeah,
We all
everyone
know
in Cape Town.
Yeah, even noma
Everyone in
awuculi-
South Africa.
even abantu abangomama bayamazi
Bayamazi
uPhizzo.
Uphizo.
Because you remember ingoma yakhe yokuqala le
Nolita,
umhlaka zenzi
Oh, ngudade wakhe,
hayi abazali
abazali
bakhe
bakhe.
ewe. You see, we used to listen to those tracks again, and then shame, man, that time there was no money,
Yeah,
and then everyone was just singing for ilanduka for fun.
fun. Yeah.
Yabo, and then uPhizzo wasilanduka i-Dreamers Cup nayo yabetha yabo yasilanduka.
Mabashe,
Yeah, thanks to those guys and kwafika uVegeta ke
Yeah, you know, yabo. Sting.
nolando osting yawo ukhona umfoka kuthiwa nguSkhaftina wayithanda ucula kuza session second session epha library kuthiwa nguSkhaftina uSkhaftina. Let me be honest, that guy, he's the best. He's the best. Uskaftina, he was the best. Serious.
Like uyasiva le igama lakhe mos
But why?
gcina wonke amagama.
Untswembu.
Kafti.
Gcina wonke amagama. Uyawagcina la magama.
And then
Awasebenzisi.
also we should not forget inkanyamba.
Yeah,
Undlulamthi, Ulanduka, yonke la crew from Ulanduka.
Retex.
Yeah, those guys, they've been there.
Yeah, but those are the type of
Makati
folks you look up.
kan buze Undlulamthi hip hop or poetry rap.
It's just a
Poetry rap. Yeah, poetry rap.
So you fall on the hip hop now.
Yeah.
So ufana
MC.
ufana no like istyle sakhe si close kuso simbone no Dakatye but yena
MC.
ubu rapper.
Yes, MC.
Yeah, uyabona yena ya rap.
Lalo kuthiwa Mac Mover.
Yeah,
Mover.
yabo.
Njalo.
So
Yeah.
So those guys, we appreciate them.
Yeah.
In terms of hip hop,
Crowd movers.
yeah, they are the best. They
Great.
changed the game.
Great stuff.
But hence we're still saying language barrier is a problem.
Yeah.
Because if this was in Joburg and then ingeyo language yesiXhosa, then it would be a different story.
Yeah.
But those guys would have been famous. I don't know how iFunny made it really. And I'm like, and I'm also saying, I always say, thanks God. Yeah, but hip hop, there is ulanduka. Yabon umntu othetha le language okwazi ulanduka. Yabon because akekho ngophi umuntu mhlawumbe wesivendo okanye wesitsongo ucula hip hop famous nomazi. Ukhona.
Hayi zandaba.
Yeah.
So somehow, yeah, those guys they worked shame.
Yeah. They work us. They are to abantu singabo ngoku this day. Namhlanje nami ndiyakwazi ba be on the mic and do something and at least relate to some matters abantu abadlula kuzo. Yabo. Nomuntu naye ukwakwazi relate because I'm more about storytelling in all my music. Yeah.
Oh, so it's all about choice.
Storytelling.
So ugcwalisela into akawuthetha ba ama-cherry
yeah.
nemeti.
Because I'm not
ngamabhiya.
I'm not umuntu obumnandi, but if ikhona lo feature mhlambi wena ufuna unifeature kulo ngoma yakhe, I wouldn't say no. Uyabo. Sawuthetha ngezobhiya ufuna nithethe ngazo.
Most yengoma zakho zinganto.
That is all about motivation. Motivating.
And about to love.
Motivating people.
And about love.
No.
Oh.
No. I've made a love song in days. Yo, love song ekublanini.
Yeah, gola kudala.
Yo, ekublanini live song.
Yeah. No ke bhuti wami man. Lana siyabonga man, siyabonga kakhulu for ixesha lakho ba uzile apha. So abantu bakufumana xa bekufuna.
Okay, Nandi sebenzisa two socials because I don't use X, Twitter because some applications ezingixelelayo ngoba manje ngamsebenzisi.
Okay.
Yeah, some rules. I said some rules about career. I want to go with which way. Sebenzisa Facebook. Is handle yami ku Facebook is Ghetto Mate Les. Yeah, Ghetto Mate Les 021.
Okay.
Zonfumana. And you easily search Les Lord if you can find me. Just search Les Lord. The ghetto mate who's over par. Yeah.
Okay.
And then go Instagram, Major Brands 021 because I'm trying to push another apparel of mine where now like this bone bar candy brand now and push apparel because I got my logo, I'm a brand.
Okay.
So la logo is under my instant company. Le apparel is over le Major Brand 021.
Alright, hayi ke inkosi ke
Major Brand 021.
siyabonga kakhulu and hope ke ukuthi noko bazawulandela balanduke ezinye hip hop landuke mhlawumbe sizakwazi ukuthi xa sifuna features ekudutch imalini feature yakho
Yeah, and cost nix bra mna. I don't zanga ndabhataliswa studio session.
senziyo wena lo umuntu ubufuna ufeatureisha wena lo
Like ngitsho lo lokudala mina azobhatalisa abani mina ngizange ndabhataliswa lawe ububhatalisa abantu.
yeah.
So lo it man.
No, Budwa man, all the best, man. I wish you all the best.
They say I look like an idiot. Maybe it's the shit I be in, yo. Or maybe the niggas are idiots. Idiot. They say I look like an idiot. Maybe it's the shit I be in, yo. Or maybe the niggas are idiots. Yeah, they say I look like an idiot. I'm not crying, it's an onion. Now I wake up every month, looking angry like a demon. They say I'm not even a duck. When I'm on stage, I get bored. Yeah, guys ask me for notes. Yeah, I try to give them my code.